Hello dosto, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Rohit Fix Everything and my name is Rohit. So today we are going to deep dive into Android emulator world and we are going to choose the best emulator that is present in the market. So yes, we are talking about BlueStacks. So stick with me till the end. Again, you're watching Rohit Fix Everything. My name is Rohit. Let's get started. So at first we have to download the BlueStacks setup from the internet. Just go to your browser and search BlueStacks and hit enter. Now click on the very first website and download the setup by clicking this download button and download it. This is the basic setup file. You just need to install it. And we are installing it. Make sure to have a good internet connection because it is going to download the required Android files and the emulator files. So after running the setup, click on agree and install. And the setup is installed and BlueStacks is running. And this is the Android that we are getting here. Let us check which version of Android we are getting. I think it's Android 9 or something. There's no device information kind of thing present here. I'm not able to see any information about the system. And no issue. Who cares? We just have to download some games and try out. So let me just log into my account and I'll be right back. हेलो भैया, हो गया गूगल अकाउंट लॉगिन है. वीडियो तो इंग्लिश में था. No worries, who cares? Okay, let's download some application. For the kids, we are downloading Free Fire. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's play. Let us check if the application runs or not. If the game works natively or not. Because I have heard about these emulators, they kind of does everything for you. They already by default mapped your keyboard layout with this game. By default your keyboard is going to support entirely on this game, because as you know, these games are these applications are made for touch interface for mobile users, but when it comes to the PC emulation or emulator, they does everything for you. Like BlueStacks, it is one of the most famous Android emulator as of right now available in the market. Let me again just log in with my Google account. Also let me decrease the volume. Here I am in the lobby. Can I maximize this window? Yes, of course. By pressing F11 we can maximize this. Okay. What is he doing? What is doing? He was doing something. He was playing with the ball. Football. Okay, let us check the settings. What are the settings available? High resolution. What the heck? Why it is set to the normal? I want high resolution. And what are the graphics setting? Ultra. I want max. I want maximum graphic settings. Let it give the highest possible settings. I want shadows as well, and the highest FPS as well. Normal, enhanced and high. Settings are maxed out. Let's play. Let's start a game. Battle Royale. Start. Instantly we are inside the match. It means a lot of kids are playing right now. This game is so famous among the kids. Okay, as I told you earlier that by default everything is going to work. My mouse is working. As you can see, key mapping is already there. And if I press F, this is going to let me jump. And G for dive. I don't play these kids game. But for the sake of information for you guys, I am doing it. Okay, latency and everything seems to be fine here. Here, as you can see, with the keyboard I am controlling this, and the mouse is by default working. And let us just grab some ammos and some guns. It automatically picks up every gun. Okay, enemies ahead, enemies ahead, enemies ahead. Reload. It's perfect, it's quite good. What are these? I don't know what are these. Let's grab some more ammos and more guns. Reload. Reload. Can I swap this? Can I? Why can't I pick up this?
Need repair.
Armor is broken down. Blah blah blah.
No helmet yet.
No helmet. Let's find helmet. Enemies ahead! Enemies ahead! I spotted an enemy. Where are you? Where are you? I'm here. I'm here. Come on. Kill me. Come on.
A glue.
ओए 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 भागता किधर है?
Oops, no ammo now. Look for more. Double takedown.
I want to do some settings, bro. Settings, bro. What are the settings available for this? To boost the performance here, the settings, you can allocate the memory as per your liking. I'm giving it 8 GB and I'm setting the performance mode to the high performance, and the frame rate is by default 60 frame rate, and I'm going to do enable high frame rate, also display FPS during the gameplay, and let us also change the display. Oh, first we have to save these changes and restart now. Here we can find the display settings. So I'm going to set the 1920 into 180, and DPI, I want the lowest DPI. Okay, so for every settings you just have to save first, then it will going to apply. Again, let's check the graphics. Renderer is set to auto. Here we have software, OpenGL and DirectX, Vulkan and OpenGL only. Everything is clear. Let me set the frame rate to 120 first. Okay, now I have set the frame rate to 120. Let me save it and let's give it a try. It's working. You can see the frame rate here. Let's maximize. 75 and 80, 89, 90 FPS. We are touching the 90 FPS mark here. It's quite good. It's really playable. Someone is falling down. Someone is falling down. Hey friend, I'm just coming. I'm just
The higher you
coming.
fall from, the more HP you'll lose. Take care, buddy.
Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. Please, please, please don't kill me. Don't kill me, bro. I don't want to die. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. I don't want to die. Oh, hey, who are you? Wait a minute. Who are you? Where are you going? Hey, what?
Take down. Ultra takedown. Instant takedown. Unstoppable. Rampage.
भागता किधर है भाई?
Takedown.
Nice headshot.
Takedown. Takedown spree.
अब मारेंगे हेड शॉट। क्या बात है। क्या बात है, जीत गया यार, जीत गया। मेरे को खेलना नहीं आता, मैं तो जीत गया लेकिन फिर भी। So this is it. This was the experience of BlueStack Android emulator. If you're wondering to play casual games like Free Fire or Call of Duty Mobile, then this will be a good choice. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any doubt, please comment below and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. This is me Rohit signing off. You're watching Rohit Fix Everything. And as always, Jai Hind.